In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and create a Microsoft Teams account using your iPhone. This process can seem a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with downloading apps or setting up accounts, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step so you can get Microsoft Teams up and running in no time. First, you'll need to head over to your iPhone's App Store. To get there, locate the App Store icon on your home screen. It's the blue icon with a white A made up of 3 sticks. Once you've spotted it, tap it to open. Now, you'll be greeted by the App Store's homepage filled with featured apps and recommendations. But what you're looking to do is located in the search section. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll see the magnifying glass icon. Tap on that to access the search function. When the search bar appears at the top of your screen, tap on it to type in your search query. Here, you're going to type in Microsoft Teams. iPhone will display a list of potential matches as you're typing, but be sure to select the official Microsoft Teams app from the results. After you found the Microsoft Teams app, you'll notice a down pointing arrow next to it or a button that says Get. Tap on this to begin downloading the app onto your iPhone. If you've enabled Touch ID or Face ID for App Store purchases, you might have to validate this download with your fingerprint or face, ensuring added security. This is a helpful reminder that maintaining such particulars can prevent unauthorized downloads and purchases. Once the app has downloaded, our next step focuses on creating your Microsoft Teams account. Go ahead and tap on the app's icon to open it. You'll be prompted with options to either sign in to an existing Microsoft account or create a new one. Since we're going through the entire process from scratch, choose the option to create a new account. As you proceed to create your account, have your details on hand like your email address and a secure password to input into the required fields. Follow the on-screen instructions. These might include verifying your email or entering a verification code sent to you. Make sure to use a password that's both strong and memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is best practice for security purposes. Once everything's all set up, you should be welcome to Microsoft Teams, ready to chat, call, or collaborate with your team. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up your Microsoft Teams account right from your iPhone. Feel free to explore the app and get familiar with its various features, whether it's setting up a meeting, chatting with colleagues, or organizing your team's workload. And there you have it, a seamless guide to install and create a Microsoft Teams account on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more tech tips and guides, and happy collaborating.